So it is
Wala.
Hindi na ball yung kay Kikyo kanina na ano eh.
Oo. Wala.
Respect here. This is the most important
Pag
thing.
wala yan, Sanday, wala na. Talo na.
Wala!
Talo na.
Yes! We won! Let's go! Walang foul.
Can no choice here, but for him to
Talo na.
miss this on purpose, and Gonzalez and Agonani
Walang foul.
have to fight for
Walang
that
foul.
offensive rebound. But 4 seconds, not enough time. 4.6 to be exact. Valiana,
Wala!
Black, wala.
this is gold.
Yumimon!